So for Microsoft, we chose a journey. We focused on a specific set of inventory, SSD and DRAM. The inventory represents about 50% of the rack value, or the cost of a rack. So it is a very impactful place to start. And it involved a set of 9 suppliers in our commodity supply chain, including SSD and DRAM providers, manufacturers, as well as our warehouse/hub provider, as well as a set of systems integrators. And most of those are actually represented in the first blog that I wrote on the topic. And so we've been on this journey for the first conversation was February 2018. And so it's been a while on the journey, but in terms of like implementation, we are in production since last fall on some percentage of the SSD and DRAM volume that flows through from our manufacturers through the hub into our data centers. And we are now basically iterating on that journey for the next phase to bring on the rest of the high value commodity supply chain. And also to layer in financial controls in our supply chain. That's basically the next 12 plus months of this particular journey. And so we have great partners on board that are quoted, in the blog, Lenovo, Arrow, SK Hynix, CT Systems, Micron, and others. I think from a what's happening, what's the impact of it, how have we thought through it, what's the technical approach, all those things sort of went into, okay, well, clearly this is something that could win the innovation award in a category, and we didn't, we felt like our chances were at least 50-50 in that category.